Hello guys, welcome to module 6. In this module, we are going to talk about the object-oriented programming, which is OOP concept, basic concept. So in this video, I'm going to talk about classes and object and also method and attribute, how we can define them. First, I'm going to define a class. So I just type the keyword as class and a class name and colon. And also I just create a empty class. So this is a empty class. Whether we are using this pass keyword, this means this is an empty class, right? So I just have to create the object for my class now. I just create object as my dot and equal the my class name, right? If I call this object, this will represent my class, right? If I want to access my class, I can access my class using this object, right? So if I check the type of this object, I just type print type and my dot. So now if we run this one, you can see the class, this is a class object, which is a dot. So this is a dot class object. So that's how easily we can define a class in Python. So now we are going to see how we can add attribute. To add the attribute, we have to make a constructor. So here how we going to define a constructor. We can add a def keyword and we are using the keyword name called init. And here we pass the self and your attributes, name and age. So this self age meaning is this class, like this dot is represented as a self here, right? So foreign, and I just add self dot name. That's mean this class dot name is equal to which is name which I input to this class, right? So also the age. So this is how we can easily define the attribute. So here we are going to add the object for my class now, again my dot and a dot. So we have to pass the name and the age to this class. So I just pass the name as Leo and age as 3. So if I want to print the name or age, so I just have to get the value, get the command print, and also the type the object my dot. You have to type just name or age. So if I run this one now, so you can see here it will print Leo. This is because we add a value Leo to our class and it will print it in here, right? So that is how we can make an attribute in class, and also we can access those attributes outside in the class. So now we are going to talk about the methods. So in the dot, I think the dot can be a seed, right? So I just make a method name called seed self. This means this dot, the self is this dot, right? This dot can sit. So if I call this method, the dot need to be a sit, right? So I just give a print statement as a fp string. Just give a name, self name is city. So now if I call this function outside of the class, I just call this function as my dot sit. You can see here. So if I save and run this one, you can see Leo is now sitting. So this is how you can identify the method inside the class. So that's all for the methods and also an attribute about class. So that's all for the today lesson, which is we are talk about the methods and a class, what is attribute, and also how we can implement the constructors and how we can pass the attribute. And so that's all for the today lesson. See you guys in our next module. See you guys in the next video. Keep subscribe and like the video and comment down below if you have any doubt about this double OP. So guys, see you in next video.